Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how to find a salon and book your very first appointment.
We'll start as a brand new visitor. Just search for the salon by name and open its profile. Here's what first-timers look for: the salon name, location, the services on offer, and the booking button. Choose your service, move through booking, and pick a time. Caloti holds your spot while you create an account. Create your account right here. After sign up, Caloti brings you straight back to the same booking. No starting over. Review the summary, confirm, and you're done. Your first appointment is booked and your account is ready to go.
From browsing to a confirmed booking, with an account ready for next time. Welcome to Caloti.